Good morning. Good morning, people. How are you? Today I feel a bit upside down. I don't know why, but this happens sometimes. So nice. How are you? Today is day 7. Today is day 7 um, of building this Chainlink Block Magic Hackathon. Today is day 7. Yesterday we achieved great results. I understood um, how to manage um, the token distributions, the fee tokens, well, the liquidity provider tokens. And yesterday I implemented the deposit function, which is basically yeah, letting the liquidity provider deposit into the pool, and also oh, all right, and also updating whenever some liquidity provider um, deposits into the pool, he sends a message to um, yeah, to the other pool to update its balance in the other pool. So each pool in each network has the balance of the other pool, right? Because in any moment we want to see if there is enough money on the other pool to make the bridge, and well, to make the teleport, and in any moment we want to understand, yeah, how much is the total value of the cross-chain protocol, right? um, yeah, just before starting, I don't know why, but in the morning my router gets disconnected, but I don't know really how, why and how, and I need to restart it sometime. So if you will see that this stream is over, just check my YouTube channel, because probably I started um, another one. Okay, so today I will stream until 11. So now is 8:38. So it's like 2 hours and 40 minutes of live streaming. And for today it will be everything. And probably for the week, I don't know, maybe tomorrow we'll stream other 2 hours, a couple of hours. Yeah, I don't know. Tomorrow I will host a workshop in La Sapienza about solidity, on solidity. So I don't know how. I think they think I'm smart. Probably I will bring this hat with me, because I think, in this hat you have um, a second little brain adding to my single brain. So I have two brains, one in the hat and one very small one in my brain. Okay, bando alle ciance. I love getting started very early. Programming in early, well, it's not very early, but it's like before 9. It's very productive for me. And let's start. Let's share the screen. Okay, nice. Okay, cool. So we have decided, so we say that we have each pool has the accounting of the other pool. So this is very important. Yesterday I managed to do all the tests, the basic tests for depositing, and I was working on the test for test cross-chain deposit after teleport. So again, teleport is another name to call bridge. Yeah, and basically I did this unit test, which is test cross-chain deposit. Those are not really unit tests, those are maybe functional tests, because I'm testing many things here. You can see this file is already very huge. Test cross-chain deposit pass, but in this deposit it doesn't happen any teleporting. So now I was doing this use case when, so you have liquidity in the cross-chain protocol in Buckle Up, and then someone does a teleport, and another liquidity provider adds liquidity, and I want to see how much of liquidity pool token gets minted to this liquidity provider. So let's see. So test cross-chain deposit after teleport. VM select fork, we go to Sepolia, define the amount, then we check initial cross-chain underlying amount and cross-chain liquidity pool tokens. We calculate the returned LPT. The initial pool balance is this, okay. Then we go, okay, we prank the liquidity provider of Sepolia, LP_CSEP, and then approve, and then we call get the CCAP fees, and then we call deposit. And then basically it's okay. We just assert a couple of things. Maybe I'm gonna just remove that for the simple fact, that I just tested this in the previous unit test. So we stop the prank, and then CCP local simulator fork, we switch chain and route message, Arbitrum Sepolia fork, okay, and then we come back to Sepolia, right? So at this point, the deposit message should have updated the pool on Arbitrum. Maybe I can do that. I can check that the Arbitrum Sepolia was okay. Let me check the other test. Okay, start prank. Yeah, this is the check. Okay, I'm gonna skip that because I already tested it, so it's working, I'm sure. So we then update the other pool on Arb Sepolia. Teleporting here. Okay, so here I'm pranking Valentino Rossi, which want to teleport one underlying token. So Sepolia underlying approve, okay, CCIP cross-chain pool, get CCIP fees for teleporting, okay, get the CCIP fees, cross-chain pool teleport, send the value, teleport amount Valentino Rossi, okay, teleport, is it this the teleport, what is it? Okay, teleport value address, okay, that makes sense. Then CCIP local simulator fork, okay, we go to Sepolia, we reroute message, okay, so at this point this should be the user should have its money, and then let's switch again to Sepolia fork. Now we want to try to put other money, deposit other money on Sepolia fork, and the amount of liquidity pool token minted should be not one-to-one with the underlying, should be less. So yeah, so so far, if there is no teleporting, the ratio between LPT and underlying UDT is 1-to-1, right? Because we have all the liquidity, no transfer happened. Now the liquidity, well, after one teleporting, you have more fees, so you have more liquidity and you have less LPTs. That means that LPT increased its value. So now the ratio should be like 0 point something 1, right? 0 point whatever. Okay, right? So let's try to do that. Okay, initial pool balance, start prank, LP Sepolia, approve, and then CCIP fees. Okay, this is depositing, right? Okay, let's do that. LP Sepolia, getting CCIP fees, and then deposit, and then second unit 256, second amount on Sepolia equals yeah 10E18. Okay, so I want to approve that, and then Sepolia underlying deposit amount is this second deposit amount on Sepolia. Look, since it's some on Sepolia, I will call it with this notation instead of the camel case, but you can do, I mean, it's just something I like, because with this kind of how it's called, like, is this underscores, I just know that this is a number, right? It's like a fixed number. It's like a constant, but in the scope of the function, where if I do it all uppercase, it will be, like in this case, global in the smart contract. So second deposit amount on Sepolia, 10E18. Okay, deposit value, we'll change that. Second deposit amount on Sepolia. All right, so I'm depositing here, and then how do I want to check this? Let's see. So initial cross chain underlying amount, get cross chain balance, calculate return, initial pool balance. Look, since this is, I think I'm not using this. Yeah, no. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this for now, and I'm going to do that. So select fork Sepolia, initial cross chain underlying amount, and here basically, okay, then transferred pool, transferred to LP transferred balance of I just want to know how much it was transferred, so let's change this. Let's call, okay, LPT amount of LP7 before teleporting. Let's get that. Okay, we have it before teleporting. So now I would like to make this. I need to subtract the current amount at this point and the other amount before the teleporting, and I see how much the LP underscore sep will have. So current, so uint 256 current LP sep amount lpt equals cross chain pool dot cross chain pool balance of our LP sep so last minted LPT for LP sep uint 256 equals this minus was it? It was last. Okay, yep. This. I know that it's hard to follow, but it is like this. It is what it is. Life is life. Smart contract water. Okay, so last minted LPT for LP sep, current LP sep amount, okay, minus LPT amount of okay, let's change this maybe, or maybe not, before teleporting. So this is last minted, right? And then I want to assert, so last minted equals last minted assert EQ last minted, not 0, but it was like that, right? It was this. It was this. Yep. Deposit amount, initial cross chain. Yes. Should be this. Okay. No. Let's see if it works. Forge, test, empty. Okay. CCP fees already declared. CCP fees is that. Okay. CCP fees. And then I have CCP fees, oh, too many CCP fees. Okay, CCP fees 1, CCP fees 1. Then CCP fees 2. I know, CCP fees 2. CCP fees 3. Fees 3. Okay, it's compiling. Okay. Okay, this is not correct. The deposit amount is this. Okay, let's see. Okay, fail, fail. That's nice. Different than 0. Why? Where I'm? Why it's like? Where is it? Where am I asserting something different than 0? CCP request send, balance of, assert equal 0? Where? Do I have any other log? Wow. No? Okay, let's see. This is different than 0. Let me check 1 second. So do I have, am I checking for zeros? Where? Balance of CCP send request. Yeah, the disadvantage of doing this kind of tests is that are very hard to debug then, because you have many things, right? You're doing many things, so basically you never know where you are at. Assertion file failed. This is different than 0 after CCP send request. Let's assume we are here. So this is, oh, maybe this is 0? Oh, yeah, of course. No. Cross-chain pool, depositing that. Yeah, maybe this, the resulting of this is 0 for sure, and this is still 10. Okay. Cross-chain pool. Deposit amount on Sepolia. Approve. Cross-chain pool. 7 deposit amount. Cross-chain pool. It's a deposit here. Current balance of LP7. And here let's try to log console to log this. And console this. Console this. And console log this. let's see. Okay, so failed. Obviously no logs. I'm so dumb. Okay, I have these. But I'm interested more in that. Okay, LPT amount before teleporting. Okay, before teleporting. It's this. Last minted amount is 10. Makes sense, right? So last minted. Okay, this is last minted, right? This is the last minted. So the teleport, I think the teleport is not going. Okay, so let's see 1 second. So here, E18. Sorry, let's try it with like 5E18. No, what? No. Maybe it's too less. No, but it's no, should work. Teleport amount, approve. Let's do our assertion. So in test teleport, test chain token are correctly set, test teleporting. Okay. Teleport. Okay, let's see. But this should work. This should definitely work. Okay, let's log other things then. Let's log these. Let's log these. And let's log, well, second deposit amount. Let's look at those two. Let's log these. Maybe the calculation is wrong. Not sure about that. I'm gonna book my gym class for today. Nice, thanks. Okay, failed. Let's see our logs. here. So here I have before teleporting 5, last minted 10, initial cross-chain underlying amount 9, initial cross-chain liquidity pool token 10. Okay. Okay, that's weird. Initial cross-chain liquidity pool tokens. We have this cross-chain underlying amount. We have that. Why? Because I'm teleporting 1. Initial cross-chain underlying amount is less. So is this. Initial cross-chain underlying amount is this. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9. And this is, I'm sure this is 10. Yeah, this is 10. Okay, so this is the problem, because then you have second deposit is 10, right? You have 10 P18 times initial close chain underlying amount is like 9. Yeah, 9E18 divided 10E18, which is basically messing it up. In fact, if I log this, I'm pretty sure that this will be 0. Yeah. Right? So why do I have this initial cross-chain liquidity pool token? So initial cross-chain underlying amount 10. So let's go in cross-chain pool, fees, underlying, safe transfer from. Well, it should be not, it should be more. Okay, safe transfer from, this value, sensitivity message. Cross-chain underlying balance minus value. Yeah, because I'm subtracting 1, but here, oh, this is cross-chain balances. Okay, so liquidity pool tokens is correct. This is, yeah. Let's make another function. Well, wait. Minus. When I do the deposit. So here, calculate underlying in exchange of total supply. I do cross-chain underlying balance plus total supply of underlying token. Yeah, that makes sense. But think I just will delete that for now, or at least comment. Oh no, we are using it. Okay. Teleport. Teleport is okay. I think the problem is on deposit. So deposit lpt amount, calculate lpt in exchange of underlying. Okay, deposit and minted. Okay, this total cross-chain underlying token plus cross-chain underlying balance. Okay, total lpts on current pool, total cross-chain lpt amount of this, yes, plus liquidity pool tokens. Okay, so the problem is here that I'm initial cross-chain underlying amount. Okay, I know that. So the here maybe I can have a function doing this, get total protocol balances, and this is so total underlying bal and total lpt bal. Okay, so total underlying balance equals cross-chain underlying balance plus e underscore underlying token, I underscore underlying token dot balance of address this, right? And total lpt bal equal as cross-chain liquidity pool tokens plus how is it, like total supply, I guess. Yep. Get total protocol balances, return this. Wait. Yep. So here I need to do here, this is the balance before, the balance is before the deposit, right? So this is this cross-chain pool, and this is get total protocol balances, get total protocol balances, and then this should be where is it? Total underlying balance and where is it? My God. Where is it? I lost it. Okay, total LPT balance. Okay, let's see, and let's also log total underlying balance with this, and total LPT balance with this, and going to remove that. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's going to, okay. Let's see. Yeah, compile. Nice. All right. Okay, now it passes, but there is some mistakes. There is some error on this. So before teleporting, last minted for LP7, total underlying balance now is 15. Is 15. Total LPT balance is 15. So there is an error. No, it should be different. Shouldn't be that. Total LPT balance. This should be this plus the fees, right? So in depositing, the teleport happens from Sepolia to to Arbitrum, right? So I should have fees. Why don't I have any fee? Okay, let's see to teleport amount, approve CP fees, Rossi. Let's go and see the teleport function. Teleport. Okay, here. No. Teleport. Buckle up fees. Send CCIP message. Says transfer from. Okay, address from the message sender, then CCIP message teleport. I build a message, build teleport message, CCIP fees, and then do that, and then cross-chain underlying balance. I'm the value. I'm subtracting the value, yes, but no, I should subtract the value and the fees, right? Because he's getting, he's getting not the value, not the total value, but he's getting a little bit less, no? So cross-chain underlying value minus equal value would be better like that, value plus fees. Okay, and then I router client. Okay, cross-chain balance. Okay, that makes sense. Send CCP message deposit, no. And I want to do receive. So in the receive function, when it's a teleport, what I do is cross-chain underlying balance, cross-chain underlying balance plus equal value or underlying deposited amount. So in this case is value plus, no, and this is kind of wrong, right? Because there you have there you have in the other pool you have just the value, and here you give back not all the value, but you should give back this minus fees or liquidity token minted, this, and then here you have value underlying, and that's all, because we retain fees, right? So okay, this should make sense at this point. Let's see. Oh, I have one new watcher. Nice. Hey, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yes, glad that you are here. Drink some water, some smart contract water. Okay, it passed. Calculation 0. Yeah, okay, so it passed, but there is something that looks not so good. So assert equal last minted LPT is 0. What? Okay, total underlying balance is 14,995. It should be the other way around. Should be, I have more here. Yeah, I have more underlying, and I have less liquidity tokens, because I'm well, when a bridge or teleporting happens, user pay fees, so something more should be in the protocol. Just not sharing the screen. Okay, so I have total underlying balance is 1499, while total LPT balance is 15. So here there is a clear error. Let's see how when I do deposit, how do I actually okay, this is the deposit function, calculate LPT in exchange of underlying, right? So total cross-chain underlying amount is this. Underlying token, balance of these, plus cross-chain underlying balance. Okay, total cross-chain LPT amount is total supply, right, plus cross-chain liquidity pool tokens. So it looks good to me. Total cross-chain LPT amount is 0. Return the amount because it's 1-to-1. Otherwise, LPT amount equal the underline on the total cross-chain LPT amount. Are we sure about that? Yeah. Tricky. I think I'm doing still something wrong on the accounting. So total underlying balance equals this. Let me check transport function. Teleport. Yeah. Fees. Send CCB message teleport. Cross-chain underlying balance minus value and fees. Okay. And then CCP, this is sending the teleport. So I'm cross-chain underlying balance minus value, right? Minus just value, because he will get, no, he will get the value minus the fees. Okay, maybe this is now will be correct. Questa è destinato a te. It's a shame that YouTube will ban me if I put any music. Okay, it looks better, but still, the calculation I think is kind of messed up. Okay, because now I have total underlying balance, which is a little bit more, and total LPT balance. How do we do? I think it's cast. How to use cast? Okay, let's try here directly. Cast. No, is forge anvil cast, and then foundry up is foundry chisel. It's chisel. Just wanted to use chisel. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do. It's just 1 second. The test here. Let's do that. Oops. I did something with my laptop. All right. So in chisel, I want to do this formula. So second deposit is this times this total underlying balance on on total balance. this. Let's see what we get. Console.log maybe. No. Okay. Uint 256. Oh, I think I need to do that. Yeah. Let's again. Let's try doing this. Yeah, underline the how the hell does it work? Will it work? No. Sorry. We'll just look online how to use chisel. No, chisel, foundry. Yeah, already chisel and advanced reader rip. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Chisel reference. View. Trunks. Usage. Don't have all this patience to look through it. Chisel is a solidity read eval print loop that allows the developer to write and test solidity code snippet. Okay. Let's see. So should I do like really the function? Come on. Expressions, for example. Okay. Upfront, I will not persist in the session. Example. Address zero balance, ambient code. Yeah, I just want to do that, right? One, nothing. Okay, address zero dot balance. Oh, he's okay. He's doing that, and then here. Okay, let's try to do 1 plus 1. What do I get? Nothing. Sorry, ChatGPT help me. How to print the result of sum with chisel in Foundry. Guys, let's accept blah blah blah. no, from CLI. No, this ChatGPT is totally overrated. Totally overrated. Okay, uint 256 x equal 1. Maybe I understood. Uint 256 x equal 1 is this. Let's see what they say, and then x. Okay, get it. I get it. So now we'll do uint 256 calculation equals, okay, second deposit amount and Sepolia, so this times total underlying balance, so this on total LPT balance, so this. Okay, type rational cost 3 on 3, isn't it? What? What? Let me do another thing. No, chisel. Uint 256 c equal this on this. Yeah. Why? Rational cost. Why? What is that? Interesting. So this is giving me errors. But she's okay, let's say uint 256 dot u equals this uint 256 dot lp t equals this uint c equals dot u on dot lpt. Oh, it's a mistake. how do I how to make some in GSL foundry, guys, come on. Okay, so this should already do that, right? Like, oh, okay, decimal 1. Okay. So here in the POSIT, I'm just thinking that I'm doing something wrong. Okay, I have .u .lpt is this, .u is this, .lpt is this. I have, the result is 1. LPT amount, total cross-chain underlying. So we have 10 and we have 20 LPT. We have maybe this is wrong. Wait, so uint 256 value of 1 LPT equal, what is the value of 1 LPT? Okay, value of 1 LPT is the total LPT. No, it's the, yeah, is the total, is this total underlying, so total underlying on total cross chain, total LPT, total cross chain. Oh, here is the catch. Total cross chain LPT amount. I see. Oh, yeah, total cross chain LPT. Okay, yeah. Value of 1 FPT is that. And then the amount of underlying, so the LPT amount should be value of 1 LPT no value total L. Okay, so I'm getting so confused. Amount of underlying to deposit on the value of one LPT, right? So makes sense because total percent underlying amount is this, and then value of one LPT something like that. Right. I don't know. Okay, I think I'm gonna get some little break. Okay, I'm back. So yes, so I think this is more correct. LPT amount and amount of underlying to deposit is amount. Let's call it this way, amount of underlying to deposit. It's much explicit. Amount of underlying to deposit. Amount of underlying to deposit. Amount of underlying to deposit. Okay. Amount of underlying to deposit. Value 1 LPT amount. Okay. Just delete that. Delete that. Okay. That makes more sense now. Okay, value of one LPT is this. Okay. All right. Now here. Let's see now this test, how it goes. Chisel, not so intuitive. I have more or less 1 hour left. I think it will be not still that good because I have some problem in the calculations. I have some problem in the calculation, but maybe no. Okay, why am I doing this? I'm doing it. Yeah. Yeah, so I have this problem. So calculation. Let's see if I increase the amount of teleport. Like I deposit 10 and but I teleport. Like Valentino Rossi want to teleport 8, or maybe let's do 100. Let me check 1 second. Valentino Rossi. He has let's 10,000. Let's mint him 10,000. Of course, now it probably will not be super good. This will fail probably. Yeah, arithmetic underflow. It's weak. My function is very weak. Depositing too much. Okay, but this is good. Okay, cross-chain teleport. Okay, teleport. Send CCP message, teleport, value. Okay. It's like, yeah, it's get fee here, blah, blah. Yes, this value is too much, cross underlying balance. I can do like if this cross-chain underlying balance is less or equal than value. This looks better. Of course, not enough balance on destination pool. Yeah. Okay, then let's put a lot on the destination pool. Sepolia, Arbitrum Sepolia, 10,000, let's mint a lot. And then, yeah, Sepolia. Okay. 300 E18. Let's see. I have last hour before going to the gym. Last hour before going to the gym. And then today I'm gonna do other stuff other than this. Yeah. Now it's okay, but still, total LPT balance is that like, or maybe I'm just doing the wrong test. Maybe I'm just doing the wrong test. Maybe it's correct. Like, wait, last minted LPT for LP Sepolia is 10. Last minted is current minus before. Okay, so current before is 5, last minted LPT yeah, I mean this is the same that I'm minting. I think I don't need it to apply. Total and underlying balance is this. Total LPT balance is that. Second deposit amount is that. Okay. The calculation is last minted should be different. I think here underlying amount this, right? Calculate LPT in exchange of underlying total cross chain LPT amount. I mean, it should be this, right? Last minted should be this. And amount or underlying to deposit, so second deposit amount on Sepolia on value of 1 LPT. Maybe I will just do another function. Get value of 1 LPT value, yeah, value equal public view total cross-chain underlying on total cross-chain LPT, and then actually okay, I will just change that just to get value of 1 LPT. Yeah, just doing this. Nice. Okay. So this one we'll just for now console log cross-chain pool deploy Sequoia pool, get value of 1 LPT. So value of 1 LPT, actually I can do that. Value of 1 LPT equal this. Value of 1 LPT. Second deposit amount. Last amount reporting. Last minted for NPCs app. Okay, maybe this is unrelevant. This is, I can just move it up. Total bulk calculation. Let's see. Oh. Yeah. We'll just move that here. Yep. Done one. Right. Let's see now. Okay, it's compiling. Let's see what do I get. So it says that the value is still 1. Yeah, so the problem is that this value shouldn't be 1. This value should be basically this is total underlying balance. So total underlying balance is this. Is this right? Actually, I can just delete that. Total underlying balance is this. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 15. 1, 2, 3, 18 is 305, right? The total LPT balance is 305, while 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and this is 305.5 is like, so this should be so we say that we calculate this doing total underlying on total cross-chain LPT. So total underlying is like 305.5 on 305, which is 305.5 on 305 is 1001 equals 1001, right? So 163.934, something like that. So the value, get the value of one LPT is just here. So underlying to deposit, if I'm depositing 10 divided 1,00,163934 is like 9 something. So 10 divided this should be 9, right? Should be 9. What can I do? Okay, so I should actually act on this function. So LPT amount, let's check on internet how to make division correctly on in solidity. Using a multiplier, additional variable with a value of 10, 100 of 1000. To solve the issue, multiply the numerator by the multiplier and divide the result by the denominator. How to perform division in solidity? Let's see. If we use a multiplier of 100, we will multiply the numerator by 100 and then divide the result by the denominator. Let's look at the sample for the example code for this. Okay, we'll use this variable for division. num2, num3, multiplier. Okay. Times multiplier divided by num2. Yeah. If you divide, which is what we want, if you 0.666. Okay. So, what multiplier should I use? Okay, let's try. Okay, so maybe I got it. So, if we use a multiplier here, basically we specified decimal values. Let's multiply by 1000, right? Let's see what changes. Oh, wait, let's also do that. No, oh, okay, let's go. Yeah, that kinda makes sense. Okay, panic, division or modulo by 0. Why? Oh. No, my mistake. I shouldn't put it here. Maybe yes or no. This is because this returns 1. If I do that, this is the value of 1. Let's see now. Okay, this is, we are getting there. We're actually getting there. So now you have less than what you deposit. So now we are kind of, okay, it's much better. And here is value of 1 lpt. I mean, this is the assertion which is failing. So last minted lpt equals this, of course. Second deposit amount, why is it different? Okay, this looks good. Value of 1 lpt. The calculation last minted is this, is 98.2. Let's copy that. All right. Oop. I'm hungry. Okay. Okay, 90. Last minted is 98. This is the last minted, and this is second deposit amount on Sepolia is like 95. Okay, why? Should be correct, no? So get deposit, get value of 1 lpt, amount of underlying to deposit, value of 1 lpt. Maybe I'm just messing up with something. So last minted for last minted before depositing current. Maybe LP had something, no? Last minted should be second deposit amount on Sevolia, amount of underlying to deposit, value of 1 LPT. Okay, maybe it's like, no, it should be definitely the same. Okay, it should be the same, but we are getting there. So nice. So 98 is actually the last minted, but this is my calculation. Oh yeah, because I'm actually value of 1 LPT after the deposit, so I need to do it before the deposit, right? Value of 1 LPT before deposit. I need to clean all these things up because now it should pass. And I should make this test better. Should make the number, the numbers, should calculate like manually the numbers and check that they are good. Okay, that makes sense. Let's do for now just other assertion and just tell that the last minted should be less than, right? Last minted should be less than the second deposit amount, right? So we don't want it one-to-one. Maybe we're gonna do performance tests later to see how the liquidity behaves. Okay, but I'm very satisfied because we finally made it. So it's very good. So the deposit function is definitely working here. I have 40 minutes left. Okay, this is going quite good. It's going quite good. Did I test again? No, let's test last one time. Get LPT in exchange of underlying. So this is, should update this, calculate the correct amount to mean for the input underlying amount. Exactly, total cross-chain underlying, total cross-chain, this is correct. And the formula is not this, is total to deposit, is total to be total deposit on value of 1 LPT. Okay, amount to deposit. Okay, cool. Here, calculate underlying in exchange of LPT. So I want to see. I'm going to do that. I'm going to just use it, value of 1 LPT. And so this function is used by the redeem function, right? this is value of one LPT, underline calculate, underline and exchange of LPT. So now the previous function is LPT amount is this, right? This is the other function. So this is LPT amount. So here it will be amount underlying equals LPT amount on value of one LPT. Makes sense? So LPT amount on value of one LPT. So if one LPT equals 1.2, yeah, amount of underlying, so LPT amount maybe is 10. We want to withdraw 10 LPT on 1.2 equals underlying amount. This is equal to, yeah, 8.3 underlying, right? That makes sense. I think. Okay, so amount underlying equals dot this equals LPT amount. So this data will change. LPT amount to exchange this. So this is, so this on value of 1 underline amount. Okay. Should be sensible. Okay. Okay. Then the redeem function. Redeem function. What should this? This is tricky. This is tricky. Let's see. What can I do? Wow, guys, is the streaming still online? Yes. And I had one views. Nice. Okay. Redeem. Bar amount of LPs and transfer amount of underlying tokens to LP. Okay. This function should send a message updating cross-chain underlying balance, and okay, and update it here. In the current network, I want to subtract what will be redeemed barn in other chain. Oh my god. LPT amount to barn. So I want to barn this underlying amount. LPT amount redeemed. Then I want to transfer to the LP what? The underlying amount on this. How does it work though? yeah, so this function, okay, so basically also notice this function should send a message cross chain giving the right part of underlying to the LP cross chain. So, right, so if I'm a liquidity provider and I have a certain amount of liquidity pool token and I want to withdraw, I want to redeem my tokens, basically I need to make the calculation. I need to calculate how much I should get here and how much I should get cross chain, right? We need to need to calculate how much I should get here and how much I should get cross chain. So redeem underlying amount. Okay, this is the function that I already checked. Redeem, then safe transfer. Underlying amount. This is tricky because I need to, how do I do that? I need to basically, because here is wrong because I'm just taking the cross chain account amount, so the total amount, but here in this case for redeem I want to get the total amount for this and the total amount for the other one. So since I use these, calculate, this is okay, but maybe I will do another function which will be called calculate redeem balances with this LPT amount, and then so notice calculate the amount to withdraw here and the amount to redeem cross chain. Okay, so calculate redeem balances. So this is the value of one LT and we surely need that. So I will do like something like liquidity here, uint 256 liquidity current chain equals immutable underlying token dot balance of address this. So something like that, right? Total. liquidity, and then uint 256 total lpt current chain equals total supply, no, total supply, right? This is the total liquidity, the total LPT. So I have this LPT amount, the underlying, so basically LPT amount to exchange value of one LPT cross chain. So I don't know how to do that. So I should basically, since this is a cross-chain protocol and liquidity providers are earning fees cross-chain, I need to calculate how much they can redeem from the current chain and how much they can redeem from the other chain. But how do I do that? I think I got that a few days ago, but now I totally forgot. So I should basically, basing on this LPT amount, I can just, so the value of one LPT is, this is the value of one LPT globally in the cross-chain protocol. But what if I so total cross-chain underlying amount, total cross-chain LPT amount. So actually, like this should be total cross-chain LPT amount. Yeah, maybe not sure about that. Let me draw it before doing anything. Let's draw. Allora, I got 2 viewers. Let's go. So I have 20 minutes. Let's say I have these 2. I have these 2, and these has LPT1, 1, replicate, yep. 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 I love this. All right. Okay, here I have in base. Okay, in base I do have, for example, I do have in base total liquidity of our wet, total wet of, let's say, 100, and here I have 200 wet, and I have, for instance, I have liquidity token here, okay, just here. In total I have, let's move this around here. Okay. So, and I have here, I have maybe, okay, let's say I have 95, and this guy here is very rich and he has 190. So this guy has basically all of this token, 190. This guy has 50. This guy have 60, and this guy has 35. Okay, so let's start with this hypothetic situation. Okay, so now that we have this, I need to calculate how much I can retrieve from here and from the other and cross chain, right? So how can I do that? So we say that the total value is total cross chain, so total value of one LPT, so one LPT now is worth total cross chain underlying amount, so 300 on 285. Okay, so which is 300 on 285, which is like equals 1052631. Yeah. Okay. So this is the value of one LPT. All right. So this one LPT is worth this. So now I have 60. The first LP1. No. LPT1. No. Sorry. LPT1. Mistake. LPT1, LP2, LP3. Okay. Yep. LP1, LP2, LP3. Okay. So LP1, he has 60. So you want to withdraw. And here you can withdraw. So here is 105, right? So if we want to withdraw everything, we need to withdraw cross chain. So if the value, we can do like, can do value, so redeem equals, can be something like we can calculate the value of LPT here. So here I have so here the value of one LPT in this is one LPT. Let's call it here equals, so 100 on 95, which is 1052 0526 3. So here the value is this, right? I don't know, I need to think about that. Okay, I actually need to go to the gym, so for now it's everything. I think I will come back with a solution, but right now I'm not very able to think about that. So yeah, yeah, I will stop the live now. And guys, thank you very much for watching this, and see you